Hey guys, so it's been a while. I know you guys been asking about videos for the cabin. Uh, so life just gets in the way. You know, I come up here on the weekends, do what I can. So on the second story, I just put my Barnwood boards on. It's turning out pretty slick. Show you what I got. Try to not make the camera too shaky. It's turned out pretty cool. Put my porch roof on. Use the old logs from the floor. I don't mind the mess, still work in progress. So, that's where the countertop's gonna go. I just got some boards laying there. And me and my wife, we've been working on the walls. Now these are the old tongue and groove flooring in the cabin upstairs. So it's turned out pretty cool. This is going to be the living room. It'll be the addition. Nice big living room, patio doors. Staircase. We got these nice huge windows. Everybody was knocking me for stick building on the second story, but you know what? I got an 8-foot ceiling. You see them old cabins and the roof comes about 3 feet. You hit your head on it all the time. And yeah, I got a lot of room. And got a loft. Don't mind my mess. Still work in progress. I got a pretty good view. So the last video I put out there, the synthetic chinking, it's actually holding up real nice. Still got to put my moldings around the window yet. Yeah, just doing it little by little. Turning out really cool. There's going to be a big patio here. See if I can get you a better shot. And there'll probably be a little porch roof coming off. But yeah, she's coming together sweet. So hope you enjoyed this little video. Sorry I haven't posted anything lately. Just been kind of busy and doing the four-wheelers and everything else. And it's a hot 90-degree day. Very humid. So yeah, got my work cut out for me. It's work in progress, but she's gonna turn out pretty sweet when it's done. Fireplace will go over here. Got my big log beams up here. So I gotta put the chinking on the inside of the walls. And I'm waiting on the electrician before I do that. Gotta run my electrical wires. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.